There's your basic ingredients for green chili burros. I'm using elk. You could use beef, chicken, pork. Be sure and brown your meat and throw in your onions and that. Maybe chop up that jalapeno, throw that in. Just dump your green chili sauce in there and then throw your green chili in with it. Turn her down to a simmer, and gosh, you can let that thing cook for a couple hours if you want. Basically, it only takes 15. Now, the grate there allows you to warm up a tortilla in probably about, I don't know, 20 seconds, real quick, because that's steam. We'll throw our basic filler in there, put some cheese on top, roll it up, and that, my friends, is the best feed a lot of people quick meal that I know when you're out camping. Go camping.